stop.
Okay,
what is it?
You are asking me what is it? There's nothing. In fact, I am perfectly okay. Issue the mama. I am here to warn you to leave my adugo for me, my Californian baby. How proud me? I am not afraid of you. That is why I'm here.
So if you are not agree, you see Mandela boy for streets. Normal. If not me, they tell me you're Californian baby. Are you okay?
Mandela boy.
Eh?
You just come back from South Africa. Me, I am planning to go to California. Leave my adugo for me. I'm not afraid of you. I cannot run. I said I cannot run. I am not afraid of you. I cannot leave my woman for me.
Mandela boy, they do.
You think I'm afraid of you? I'm not afraid of you.
I know your house. I'll come for you.
You just bought this one. What is the name of this one? Lezus. I am planning to buy Okote Keleze. I am not afraid of you. I said leave my woman for me. Leave Adugo for me. What are you not saying?
Thunder go fight.
See, I will. If you challenge me, I will bust your whiskey.
I know your I know your house. John, what find what you go do? You dey find woman.
I said I will scatter your whiskey now.
I scatter am now. Scatter, Mandela boy.
I said I will bust your whiskey right now.
That I do go. Nde atika shaya, nda go rabbit body. You go see am.
What are you not saying? If not one thing now, first your whiskey. Leave my hand for me.
I'm Mandela boy. They follow. What take it down?
Bobby, you are lucky today.
No, what are you doing? Hey! Tio, Vilos!
Please, I'll give something.
No, wait for me. Come here! Come back! Look at this one, too. Look at Tio! What people are looking for in this compound? You will tell me! Hey, Kuku, Nduka, and all of you! What do you see? What do you... You even brought biscuit. Look at. Bottled water. Eh? Don't worry. Good. This is an evidence. Come and tell me you didn't come here. Bring a biscuit. And I'm here hungry.
Yeah.
Hey, good night.
Yeah. Oji, how are you?
Fine.
Where are you going to?
I'm actually going to see a friend.
A friend? Okay, that's good. Let me now make you prettier. You know you're pretty already. Let me make you prettier. Yeah.
No, I don't understand.
No, it is very easy to understand.
Hey.
In case your boyfriend comes here.
Will you please stop this rubbish? And I'm warning you for the last time. Stay away from me. Ah, what is it now? Is it my fault?
I'm just trying to say that I want to make you prettier. Yeah.
I'll flog this now. Stay away from me. If you come close to me again, I'll flog the hell out of you. The next time you come close to me again, I'll finish you.
No, but just it's not like
You see what I'll flog this.
So you're this wicked? Eh? Oh, no,
You see, try me again. Try me.
If you behave this way, you can't answer Oluchi. Oluchi. Can you Oluchi? Oluchi. From now I begin to call you Oluekwensu, not Oluchi.
Where have you been since morning?
Papa, I went to see my friend.
You went to see your friend. So, why is your face like this?
Papa, is it not Ini Edo? On my way coming back from my friend's place, I met him and I greeted him as usual. But he stopped and started telling me nonsense. He even tried to touch me. But trust me, Papa, I gave him the flogging of his dad. I flogged him and flogged him. And the next time, he will come close to me, Papa, I will cut off those things between his legs.
Wait. Can you mention the name again? You say who?
It's Ikuku.
Thank God. Ikuku, I have been praying to get him, for him to enter my trap. Today, he has entered. Don't worry. Let me go and get my machete. Why should I go for my machete? Ikuku, common Ikuku, ordinary Ikuku. You know what? Don't worry. See, since Ikuku has done this, go back home. Go home.
Papa, do something about him. Do something about him.
Consider it done. Leave the fight for me. Consider everything done. Hey, Ikuku. Hey, Ikuku, you have entered. Hey, I've been praying. Ikuku, here I come to your house. Hey, Ikuku, wait for me. I am. Hey. Ikuku, here I come to your house. Hey, Ikuku, you will see. I will see. Hey, where is him? Hey, Ikuku, who is here? Ikuku, where is your father? Is he inside? Where is he?
He's not at home. He just went out.
To where?
Nah, he just went out. What happened? Nah, what happened?
Everything happened. Your father has toyed with a tiger's tail. And I will teach him a lesson of his life. Yes, your father Ikuku. What gave him the effrontery to stop my daughter on the way talking rubbish? Who born him? Tell your father now, listen to me, that never again that he should mind his business. Never again that he will stop my daughter on the way talking, telling her all sort of nonsense. I will not take it from him. Are you getting me?
Yes, Mom.
Tell him that I, Ndoka, yes, danger. I will teach, in fact, I will show Ikuku the other side of my way. And if you fail to tell him, that means you people should get prepared to bury to bury your father. Yeah, Satan will rejoice because I know he's going to hell. I don't know if you get me.
I understand.
Good. Tell him exactly what I told you.
I will at night. Night, go where?
What you also have for? Who is him? Who is him?
are you doing all this?
Was that what your daughter told you? I was only checking through them to see if you actually washed them clean, that's all. And besides, there was a bed that perched on it. So I have to walk close to see if there is any dent, that's all.
Ikekeme, I think something is actually wrong with you.
Better, good, better. It's you that have actually come over me. Yes, it's you. Why are you denying me of this and that? Why?
Eh? But you have your wife at home.
We are not talking about wife here. Wife matter is not what we are talking. What we are talking here is traditional rights. Traditional rights. That I bring the next of kin to my late brother, Pius. I am supposed to occupy. That's all. And you are being stingy. It's not good.
Ikekeme, you told me you were protecting me and my family.
Good, better. I have to protect you so that nobody comes closer to it. Except me. Why are you doing me like this now? So it's not good. Look at it. It's not good what you are doing. It's not good. Every day I stay here and do security. Because of you and you are denying me.
Jennifer. I told you. I know it was going to happen. American husband, where is he today? I was all here for you. I told you. Was I not man enough to have you? He said it must be Obodo Yibo. Look at yourself. Love bet. Okay, let me flex my life here. Was I not man enough to have you? He said it must be American man. Look at you today. Love bed. Woo!
Are you from this village?
Yes. From the Nollywood.
What about your parents?
My mom is dead, but my dad has gone out.
So, you're busy in the village?
Yes.
It's okay. And you're telling me nothing is the problem?
No, I'm fine. Nothing. Okay.
Can I have your contact?
081 720 9933.
What is the name?
Jennifer.
Such a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Ebube!
Yes, Mama. Mama?
Please go to your uncle's house and check if your father is there. I mean, Ozioma's house. If you see him there, tell him to give you money for our food. Else, there won't be food for anybody in this house. Have I made myself clear?
Ha! Okay, Mama. But, Mama, I would like us to prepare offensala.
Which offensala?
Offensala will be better.
Oh, shut up your mouth. How much did your father bring? Come on, go and do what I asked you to do. As offensala. No, bitter leaf. Those go there and not bring money. I want her to cook anything. If you like, let him bring the money. Let him keep it there.
Fire. So, you still let your memory to fill the heart of Ozioma. And that is why Ozioma could not have a space to love me. Pius, why are you doing this to me? Pius, why are you doing this to me? Why? I am your elder brother and I'm your next of kin. Why are you doing this to me? I think I know what to do. I'll meet you at that your grave. And I will talk to you.
Mama? Mama? Oh no. Mama, Obiade Mama. I am not happy. Obiade Mama at all. Papa said he doesn't have any money to give to me. OGECHI. That we should manage the old okra soup. Can you imagine?
Your father said what?
He doesn't have any money to give to me.
Hey! Aboma. Abolibo. Your father said he does not have any money to give to you.
Yes, so.
So why wouldn't he say so? Why would he not say so? Why he is busy messing up himself in this village, messing up with everything around him, while his mates are all harvesting their palm products, selling them and bringing money home for the family to eat. Or open out his dirty mouth to tell us that he doesn't have money. Let him not have money. A okra soup, we will eat it like that. We will eat it for 1 week. No problem. Not only 1 week. No problem. Let him continue.
But Mama, the responsibility of Papa in this house is getting out of hand. I don't like what Papa is doing. Look at me now. I'm hungry. All my body is even shaking.
You are very stupid. Imani is very, very stupid and silly. Just look at you. A full-fledged man that I gave birth to. Complaining to his old mother that he is hungry. What is wrong with you? When I gave birth to you, did I give birth to you with that hands and legs that you cannot go out there and work like your mates? Bring back money home and feed your family. You are complaining you are not hungry. You are hungry. You are worse than your father. You are just like your father, tell you. Nonsense.
Mama, so as I am eating, Mama, thank you. Papa, thank you in this house. You people don't like it. I will turn to armed robber and I will bring shame and disgrace to you people. Because I can see that that is what you want. All you know, Choro.
Come on, get out of France.
Say give me disgrace in this house.
Get out before I pour this water on you. What is wrong with this boy? Eh? What is wrong with him? Why am I blessed with this kind of husband and his son? Jesus.
What is the problem?
Fire! Fire!
Papa, where? What happened now? What happened? Huh?
Pious!
Who took the pious?
Pious! Pious!
Papa, who took the pious now? Is it my late uncle?
Pious, yo!
Ah.
Pious!
Who took the pious now? I don't know.
Pious! Pious!
Papa, tell me what happened.
Blow here!
I don't have this strength. I've not eaten this morning, no.
Pious, yeah!
Okay, I'm huh? Sorry now, sorry. I don't like this, I don't like this.
Fire!
Just wake up now.
Fire!
Oh, I am fine.
What is it? You want to think yourself to death? I've been watching at you for some days now. You're moody. I don't like it. Are you the only one that has been denied visa? You're supposed to go to abroad. Nothing stops it when the time comes. I know God will answer your prayer. But even if you stay in this country, you will still make it. I don't think you've eaten for some days. Not even sleep. I'll watch at you. I'm a mother. Don't worry. God will answer your prayer one day. And you'll go back to abroad. Let me go home and prepare your favorite so that you eat a bit. Smile now. Which one is that one? Even when I told you I'm going to prepare your favorite, you're still frowning. Don't worry, eh? Let me go in and prepare your favorite. You eat, eh? Take care of yourself.
Hey, Mazinduka.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hi.
Mazinduka, what are this? I'm sweating.
It's too heavy. It's too heavy. It's too heavy that I cannot carry it. That's why I use bag. You need it.
What are they for?
Yeah, they are for you. All for you because just take it from the bottom of my heart.
Mazinduka. Why is it that all you this Akadi Ekwenka will not allow me rest in this village? Hi. Oh, Mazinduka. Did I tell you I need all these things? You people just keep reminding me of my late husband.
Let me tell you, that is why I'm here. You need it.
Hey, I don't need it.
Nonsense. Bad, we are seeing. George, India gold, Burkina Faso gold, Ethiopian gold, Ghana, and rest of.
Mazinduka, I have enough. The ones my husband bought for me, they are still there.
Okay. So why are you turning down my offer? Uzoma, but you still need a help. Uzoma, what about the engine now? That needs oil. What if it knocks? What will you do? What will you do? Tell me. You are holding it in hand.
Let it knock. Leave it. Let it knock. Yes. Remove your eye from here.
It's dangerous. If it
The
knocks.
other days, Ikuku will not allow me rest. All of you want to let me be. Mazinduka, leave my house. Leave my house and get cookie around. Don't come back here. Take all this rubbish out. Nonsense. Chepa your soul.
You need a helper. You need a helper. Unless you turn my offer. Okay.
Ha! Mama? Mama, you are crying. Did anybody insult you? No, Mama, talk to me now. Did anybody insult you?
Ebube,
Mama?
why will I not cry? When your father has turned Uzoma's house his permanent home.
Child.
And made my own home his enemy's home. There is nothing I do that pleases your father anymore. Your father does not say anything good.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay, Mama. Calm down. Oh, Ijele Africa. Ijele Wanya Africa. Ijele Kewo. I know you.
Your father doesn't say anything good.
I'm here. Weep no more. I am here. I'm sorry. Calm down. God will change my father, I know that. One day.
Chiwetalu. Oh man. This one we just ball in my water like this morning. I hope say no wahala.
Yeah, you don't understand.
Gee, Abobi.
That is no matter.
Where I dey do now?
Okay, I understand.
You know wahala.
I'm not smoking.
Do this one.
Oh yeah, oh man. I want to run and go. I'm not so you know it's zero.
How far na dey be?
You don't get anything for this house. Bring drink now, man. Drink. Like this is good day. Okay, make I do this smoke people. Let me drink now.
Chibaisky. You don't trust me. Say that maybe the patoski.
You know that good.
If me I no get meaning, I mean spirit, then who go get? Even though like the young self, you must dey.
I beg.
You don't be like say my spirit and your spirit they contact.
Bring spirit to me now.
But wait, man, get insulted. Wait.
I don't skill a lot.
Trust me.
My man is a bomb. Sorry, but don't worry. Fine, yeah. Hey! I'm overboard. Overboard.
You go manage this one now.
Pato.
Oh man, take this one, eh? Try to tidy yourself. You know now. I'm a worry be. My nigga, they all the boiling, they all the lap me. I say, anyway, when be, yeah, she must say. So, one day, overall, eh?
Do it in Caribbean. I do hear now. CHYMO coming. And then I figure like it was a fat anyhow. So I beg. And then don't God. I don't really care.
Basically. You know my mom. And many can I use you. Understand? I know go loud, stand, and I'm gonna mess. I'm all over the message. My message will be everybody they pass through for this country. One day, any way be.
Pato la. Pato. Guys, money now. You don't know what to do for me. This money, what you give me now? Like what? All the bill of my eye. Let me see.
This one don't do anything. We just manage them. Manage them. I know you bad days. Boy, now Mandela boy, now you be. Even one Mandela. But meanwhile, I know they like they remind you your past, you understand? It is well.
How's a good day, sir?
Thank you very much. You Adugo, beautiful Adugo. Your beauty multiplies on daily basis. Oh, it's just like when the gods of the land were dishing beauty, they gave you a very big chunk.
You're making me shy.
Yeah.
Mazi, I'll be on my way.
No, just wait. I just came from the market. My farm produced a great produce this farming season. I sold everything in the market. So inside my pocket here, big chunk of money. Mention whatever you want, I'll buy for you.
Really?
Yeah!
But Mazi, why do you want to give me money? Why do you want to buy something for me?
No. You deserve it. You're a beauty. Wow. Look at your chubby cheeks. Look at your well-set teeth. Look at your jaw. Your jaw is like a spaghetti.
Mazi, please stop. You know I belong to Ebube. Everybody in this community knows I belong to Ebube.
We can still have fun.
Yeah.
You won't find out.
Mazi, in fact, you know what? This your plenty money. Go and give it to all those your numerous concubines and those widows you chase up and down. Adugo here belongs to Ebube. I know all this.
Who told you I chase concubines?
Mazi, please. I belong to Ebube.
Adugo, I don't chase any concubine. It's you I want. Huh?
Chima. Doski lala. Sauti boy.
I see you.
Sauti boy.
I see you.
When the what's up?
Your man dey.
No one can listen to call.
I tell you. You don't think.
That is to call.
You don't think.
As I see you now, guy, I get hope.
Like me, I be your man now. Your man.
Sauti boy. Now they was scared.
I see.
No, this is happen for South guy.
South okay. South don't rough. Nigerian guys no get peace day.
Wait, based on Daicha, HIT, or say money no day again, I be waiting.
I say nothing come out there again. Na race, na me I use come back Nigeria. Look I can lap you.
Yeah, wait, no tell me say, for me.
Nothing come out from my side. I dey tell you, as I dey tell you now, I make I can lap you. May it give me 1 or 2, now use my side.
As you dey like this now, nothing come out.
You no go understand. I no go lie for you, be my man. Nothing.
Why is it they carry a plate here? They found Sauti, this one. Go come out now. Me will not say we dey. You don't come. You don't see me now. You don't join me. Let us go find a laboring job. Go they do. Go do the money now. Don't say you go South Africa. I see you get hope. You can't tell me say money no this house. Say man run. Say money everywhere.
So I want my sister. I don't know what to do. Your husband Dikeh has been following me up and down. The worst is that he goes about in the village, telling and warning everybody to stay away from me. I don't know what to do. I am so ashamed of myself. I am speechless. Because the way the rumor is going around our village that my own husband is now Ozioma's watchdog. Hey! Oporoma water. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Are you sure you've not been denying him his birthright as a husband? That's making him walk up and down. Hey, no problem. Deny him his birthright as my own husband. Will I be doing something like that and I will be going everywhere looking for him? Chasing me everywhere. The worst of it, my sister, is that it has been long my husband touched me. Yet he's flowing you leg to leg like a he-goat. Hey, Dikeh. Well, he said I'm his right and next of kin to my late husband, his brother. So, I would have advised you to just try, put more effort, make him come back home, because so that peace will reign. It's okay.
Mark?
Sure.
Did anyone check on me?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
How about your father?
He's fine, thank you.
just take good care of yourself, okay?
You went to do Popo for me?
Yes.
So that's not why
my friend now. I can't do anything for you. Let me cut it for you.
No, that's not why I came here. Don't worry, don't bother yourself. Yes. You know I'm even getting bigger. Anyway, fruit is good for me, but don't worry, next time.
Are you sure?
Next time.
If you say so, no problem.
Actually, I am not happy.
Why?
I came to complain about your father, Mazi Kuku. Obi, listen, if not that you're my very good friend, what I would have done to your father, I would have insulted him to his grey hairs. Honestly, can you imagine? Stopped me on the way the other day and was telling me how he loves me, and that he has enough money to spoil me, how he has palm wine and bushmeat in the house. I should join him to the house, and he wants to sleep with me. Can you imagine that?
Ada, please, I'm sorry. That's the way that old man always embarrassed me in this village. Please, I'm sorry. You're even matured about the small ones. Please, I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's alright. Honestly, as if he does not know that I belong to Ebube. Who does not know that?
And this way,
I love him honestly. You know that everybody knows in this village. Anyway, see, I hope he's not coming soon. I need to before he comes soon. Because I don't want him to come and meet me.
No, don't worry, relax.
In fact, no. I don't trust that man. Make her go. Let me go, eh? Okay, thank you for the hospitality, yeah?
Sorry, thanks for coming, eh?
You're welcome.
Bye. You don't need Popo. This is my father. How old are you, Kuku? Obregana Kuku, Obregana Kenta. Nebegare. Oh, Kuku.
Why don't you sort me well? What I go? You get a go. No one is very working. Now me when they insult. Guy, now waiting person eat.
Maybe no.
And as I don't say more now, no say I will still. This my man just pick my call now. Eh? Go down them.
For sure.
If money finish, I go say house. If your money finish, I go say my mama rapper. If your money finish, I go say plenty things. But I go the day. I mean, man, not like boy now. I mean, Johnson the insult.
You have arrived.
Bam.
That is my own joy. Hi.
I mean, Johnson the insult. Talk about me, my God. Maybe people don't insult me again. You don't do much. Why they look at caricature of me all the time? Can you be I got you. Mandela boy is back. What I'm going?
Oh yo, Mandela boy. How many more you want to see Hamakwa? Are they aware?
Stop money. I don't say motor, be motor don't go. That one day.
But make I tell you, if my guy pick my call, guys, you see more with the call, see my jala.
Boy, you have arrived. You know, man. But you don't get money, you don't get anything.
Not money. See Johnson. Leave them. I mean, they use the play, they look like a job.
But you say no go stand there again.
They give me 500 naira, only 500. People why they flex, ginger, the guy died. 500, you know, you give me.
But you know, you remember it? I'm not casting here. Have you know how much we have spent?
Mandela boy. Chop money, if you finish your sell another thing. But I don't go say anything again because I don't say this man will answer my call. Why this man answer my call? But I don't want.
In fact, I will even enter that prayer. I will pray. You must answer your call. Much better.
Lucha like you.
Yeah, be your guy now.
Lucha like you. You go follow me to make you see Mandela one on one.
Chineke. Hey! Sir!
Mandela, that's Southina.
Hey, sir!
One on one with Mandela.
I'm a big boy. You need what you just tell me now.
Southie. Me and you, Southie.
Samoa. You say
Southie. Make you see Mandela one on one.
I'm a big boy now.
Mama. Jenny.
Yes, Mama.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Mama.
Where are you going to? Where are you coming from?
Mama, I was just coming back from somewhere, so I sighted you from a distance. I decided to come in and greet you.
Yeah, that is very kind of you.
Yes, Mama.
How is your father?
He's fine, thank you.
Thank God.
Mama, you know now, I just said let me come and remind you of just few days from now.
I remembered. Your father has come to tell us about it. Okay. So we are preparing. Okay. We will come. Don't worry. We are looking forward to it.
Yes, Mama.
Jenny, my daughter, I hope you're not angry about what Ezinne's son, Chibuikem did to you.
No, Mama, I'm not. I've forgiven him since.
That is a wise decision.
Thank you.
No problem. We will come. Don't worry.
Right,
I'm just busy reading my farm.
Okay, Mama.
Thank
Try,
you.
Try. I will take you.
My regards to your father,
Okay, Mama.
Thank you. We will come on one. Don't mind them. Whatever I did, I think they have done work. At the end of the day, I did nothing. First time is the best.
Who took the money I kept under my pillow?
Mama, use and buy bars.
You use and buy bars. You see it now. You see it now. This is just 6 a.m. before 8 a.m. And you have started behaving like this. Let me tell you again. If you don't bring my money today, the village will hear the both of us and it will not contain us. I begged you. I warned you. Don't say your car. But you refused. Because I am a small lady. Who is Ezinne that you will listen to? Then let me tell you. What an elder see while sitting. And a little child will not see it even if you climb an iroko tree. I told you. I warned you this is just the beginning. He came. Give me my 500 naira. Give me my 500 naira.
Mama, I will still have money. Me, I know. My guy will hold me money for South Africa. Now, I call him 9 answer.
You still they talk about South Africa. Look at you again, South Africa. So you still have hope for South Africa? You're still telling me about South Africa? If you don't give me my money, the whole world will hear the both of us. I am waiting for you in the house. I don't deserve this one. My only son, a promising son. Oh my God, who did this to me? Look at what they have turned his life to. Who did this to me? Is it the only boy that has come from abroad to this town? I told him, but he will not listen to me. My only son. My only son. Look at the way they have rendered my son useless. Ikuku! My God, when shall my suffering abandon? When shall my suffering abandon? The person that did this to me, I will never forgive that person. My son, this boy has killed me. Look at him. Oh, my last 500 naira. He went under my pillow to collect. Che, who is that man? Who is that woman that did this to me? Am I the only one in this village? Look at the way they rendered my son. My son, my son, my son. Look at Ike.
Jem. Oh, baby. What? Daddy. Madam of the day. Oh, I wish I'm the one.
Don't worry. Yours is coming. Don't just worry. The same God that blessed me, He will also bless you.
Amen. Oh, he's so much.
Not just say, oh, may go life. Eh?
What of Chinasa?
My dear, it's a long story. Ever since this man started coming, Chinasa have refused talking to me. She doesn't want to see me anywhere around her. And the stream, farm road, my dear, I don't know what to call it.
Yes, you.
I don't know if it is jealousy, envy, or hatred.
Anyway,
don't
just forget about Chinasa, whether she comes or not.
Daddy, one.
In fact, what happens to you is the best thing that will happen to every other man in this village. Forget about her, whether she comes or not.
After
that
me.
day will be your day. Eh?
After me, it's you.
Amen. No, amen.
It might be very lucky. On occasion day, you pick a groom of your choice. You know me now. I wouldn't dance much. It's just little.
So tell me, how is your wedding looking?
My dear, it's going to be one in town. My husband is planning very big. He brought me some things from the city. In fact, the event planner is coming from the town and not from the village here. Every villager will talk about it. Happy for you. Very, very happy. That day, by the time I dance, you know me now, I don't do much. I'll just dance small. Yes, small.
Okay, what kind of battle are you with your clothes? You want to go and sell them or burn them?
Papa, I'm testing my clothes to see the one that will give me a good look for the traditional marriage of my friend Jennifer.
Oh, Pino, my bogo, I go on there. Can you see how I go? You want to go and glorify some other person's wedding, but you don't have any plan for wedding at all. Eh? You've not even seen a man who will marry you. Eh? Do you have chance at all?
Papa, leave me alone. How come will I marry myself? Or do I go out there and look for any man to come and marry me? Or any man I'm going to need my bum. I'm not going to
let Nkafunasa come and marry you. Bring the person Afonasa once he answers your husband. I'm tired of living with you here. Obegali, use your sense. Look at this girl. Look at how my daughter is reasoning. Empty-headed. The fight will not end even tomorrow. You must get out, get married. Let them come for your own wedding. Eh? I won't stop until I achieve good results in this fight.
Isn't it?
I've come to collect my son's money.
Which money?
The money my son sent to you to build a house for him.
Isn't it? Why have you suddenly lost your respect to me as your husband brother? Have you gone there? Have you not seen building on top and more chipping as EJKEME more are there?
Chipping and sand.
What else do you want
with grass? What kind of a brother-in-law are you? You're asking me question with bushes and grasses all over the land there. And you're asking me, have I gone there? Are you using both your own eyes and my own eyes? Eh? Uzoma, I have come to collect my son's money because you did not do anything on that land.
Who gave you the authority to march into my compound and insult me?
Uzoma, I've come to collect my money. You see this house? It is my son's money.
If it were you, what will you do?
What will I do with another person's money? Give me my son's money. That's why I've come for you. And if you don't give me, this town will not enter the both of us. Are you hearing me?
Oh, Uzoma, is that how you are? May God forgive you.
You will never see good in your life. Unless I am not the woman that carried that child for 9 months and gave back to me. And you want me for treatment my son. You will never see good. Uzoma, you will never see good in life. Nothing good will come out of it in life.
Will come to you.
Oh, my God will fight you for me, Uzoma. Uzoma, my son will fight you.
Get out,
my God will fight you.
Get
Get out, is this compound? Come on, get out.
It shall be well with you. Get out of my compound. What has come over you? Isn't it? Of yesterday. Coming to challenge me in my house. Come on, get out. You don't even have your time. Go to your son and you. I don't have your time.
What have you come to do here?
No, I've come to check on my friend. Is she in?
So you are happy that my daughter has not got a husband? Yeah? You've got a husband and you're now pregnant for your husband. Yeah? You are moving about happy, joyful that mine has not got a husband.
I am not pregnant.
Don't shut up your mouth. What's inside here? If you deny that pregnancy again, I put hand into your system and bring out the embryo. Just deny it again now. Will you now let me breathe? Get out before I put hand into your system now and bring out the pregnancy. Eh? I go on the can you see how I go? Eh? You see you? I'll prepare for you. Whatever you have done to make my daughter not to get husband, back to sender. Yo. Eh? Back to sender. Yo.
How are you?
I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy?
Why would I be happy? Why would I be happy? Just tell me, why would I be happy? I don't know what I'm passing through. Why would I be happy? People, they are insulting me in this village. They are making mockery of me. So why would I be happy? Oh, you don't join them.
How can I make mockery of you?
Anyway, that is not why I'm here. I came to tell you that I want to sell my house, my uncompleted building, and the land. I want to sell it. So I will use the money and fix myself up. I am tired of all this mockery in this village. Everybody now is there. They see me like a failure. So I want to sell the house. If I sell it, I will use the money and fix myself up.
Ikeme, listen. Don't ever try that. I gave you that land to build and not to sell. And remember, that land is not your personal land. It is family land. Therefore, don't ever try that.
So I should not sell my house again.
You heard me clearly.
My own house, I should not sell it again. Eh? I should not sell it. I should not sell my own house. Eh? When I sell the house, and I sell it, eh? Go there and catch them. Go and confront them. If you confront them, you are dead. Let's sell the house. If I sell it, I won't say if I sell it, go there and catch them.
Stop like back now.
No, if I sell it, go.
I've told you. Try me. Try me. We shall see.
Let's say that's the idea. When I sell the house, when I come, we shall see.
We shall see.
My wife. Hey. How do I do? Hey. Look at how handsome you are looking. Eh? Do you know that if I didn't take proper look at you, I wouldn't even recognize you?
Handsome. Even if you did not say it, I know that I'm very handsome now.
Please stop it. Is it because I said you are handsome now that you know you are handsome?
No.
I just told you.
No. Already, I know that I'm handsome. And that is why when I came asking your hand in marriage, you couldn't refuse me.
I know, but I wasn't looking bad myself.
Yes, that is true.
Mama,
that is me.
Hey. I hope you're not going to that traditional wedding with your hands lifted up.
No, if I go out there and raise up, they will just kidnap me away. Are you not coming to Mazi Okoro's daughter's traditional marriage?
I will be there. Let me just tidy the compound.
Okay.
I'm coming immediately.
Okay, let me be on my way now.
My husband, where are your traditional beads now? Go and put them up to be complete.
You are right, oh, you are right. I forgot them. Let me go and put them up.
Put them on. How's it me? Let me do fast and join you people, Joe.
today's traditional marriage of our beautiful sister, Sister Jennifer Okoro. I want to assure you all that there is enough food and enough drink for you all. Before I may proceed, I would like to invite our Sister Jennifer to come out and greet the people. Thank you. DJ. Okay, thank you, Mr. DJ. At this moment, please take the color note and share within the people. We have the elders and the mothers, they are all here. Please take the color note and share.
Jennifer.
Cutting to the moment you have been waiting for. At this point, our sister Jennifer will meet the father over there, and the father will give her drink to search for the husband. For the young men around, you might be the lucky husband. Thank you.
Yes, my daughter. So this is the day, the long-awaiting day. I know you will one day make this family proud. Asani go. My young man, take. That show my emuna, your husband. Go. Go. Yes, my children. The Bible says, "Who finds a wife findeth a good thing and obtains favor." May God honor His word in this marriage in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. This moment, I bless this family, and in 9 months' time, I will come visiting to name my first grandchild in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. I break down the walls and raise the standard against the predestination, predictions of the enemies in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. This moment I superimpose the blessing of God in this family. In Jesus' mighty name I pray. Amen. And let everyone say amen.
What a beautiful day! See by your eyes. I love you, baby, and nothing can turn. Your beauty making me to realize. Baby, send it back. Don't bring the line. This is how you marry me. You will never miss the day. Every mother you will still you, baby. You will follow me. You're my everything. You're my melody. You will be the money. You will give me. Baby, Palanga. I wish you love that you never say. Palanga, you're the mother of my two baby. Baby, Palanga. All your friends to watch your own as I was with. I tell you, you know, and I'm trying to know, yeah. I tell you, you know, the friends that talk with you know. You say all your soul, I tell you, you know, and I'm begging you know, yeah. When the time is.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank everyone here today who have come to make our day a success. I and my beautiful wife here, we are so delighted. And we want to say, as you go back to your various houses and communities, may God grant you journey mercies. In Jesus' mighty name, we pray.
Amen. Thank you. Madam, what is wrong with it?
You can't just talk. I don't know what is wrong with it.
Have you called your mechanic?
No, I have not. I don't have it. No.
Let me check.
Okay.
Is the ignition on?
Yes. What's sorry?
Madam, is the key wire.
So I can do to help you.
The car is hot.
So
Crazy. Just the key wire.
okay. Didn't travel again. Welcome.
Yes, the magnets.
Do you have a mind to travel out again?
I prefer I stay here and look for
Here is my card. Check. Think of any business you can do and give me a call. So take it.
Sorry.